Like now?
Yeah, mama, I just came from Florida, mama. I'm Puerto Rican. I just came back. I said, what the hell, yo? I looked up on it and saw your number. So, like,
I look Puerto Rican too. You think I look Puerto Rican?
look, ma, yo, I mean, you want to come through or not?
You want me to come to your house?
I mean, alcohol, you going to do alcohol or something?
That's not right, Joe. What the fuck? Is he serious?
Are you serious?
Is he really for real?
You serious? Yeah.
That shit's not right. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Yeah, right.